Keep the setup clean. Apex funded, wrist tight, I mean. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. Or be plays, candles start to fly.
Good morning, guys. 15 seconds till the open. Let's get ready.
From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run deep, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the ride.
Come on, evals.
Candles start to fly. Trade a 5 flow, course drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line.
Fastest man in the streets. Oh man, I love this strategy. We're making money, boys. Big ORB, easy money. Yeah, let's now hope that we could get some good trades on the $80-20 strat. Good morning, chat. My allergies are kicking my butt today. I ordered some eye drops and stuff, so they should be coming in soon, but man, I could barely sleep and my eyes look like I went through a full round of boxing. I get allergies before everyone else does. And by the time everyone else gets them, mine are gone. So at least that's good. Damn, strong open. Very strong open. Can it reject? Can it reject? Come on, reject. Reject. Still in. Somehow still in short. I should take this off break even. It's struggling to go lower, but this NQ, I just gotta be long bias. I don't know why I switch my bias to short so often now. Gotta be long bias on this damn NQ. It just goes up. Seems like it just wants to go up. Good morning, Gorani, Simon. Allergies have started for me. Just one nice day of spring, and my eyes look like I gained 100 pounds. All puffed up. I don't have contacts in. I mean, my vision's not bad. I could see up close, so it's not like. But hopefully the medicine helps when it comes in. I did take Zyrtec last night. That didn't help. Come on, man. This is like. No, don't you dare. Don't you even dare. Hmm. It's gonna go lower now. Now it's struggling to go higher. It's crazy. As soon as I get stopped out, it just has trouble to go higher. I really hope the range increases. This is absolutely brutal. We have moved like 20 points last 3-4 minutes. At this point, just go higher, please. There we go. Still rejecting. How'd you guys do yesterday? I saw the market did tank. Yeah. My tea time was at 2 o'clock, so I left at like 1 o'clock. So I missed this whole drop. Ooh, that was one candle drop? What? Whoa, that's crazy. Is Apex really not denying payouts anymore with the end of day plans? I bought 20 evals after 2 years again. Um, there's not enough evidence yet to say that for sure, but that's what they claim. I still have the legacy account, so for me, they're still on the review, and I haven't been denied in my last few payout attempts, but there should not be any denials because everything is coded in. So any rule violations or whatever would be coded in, and you just can't request a payout. But see, like black magic trading, the thing I don't understand is like when people say that, right? Like you asked me that question. Why buy 20 evals? Why not buy two and try them out, see if they work, and then if it works, go for a bigger one? Why go right for 20? If you don't feel comfortable with it, you know, that's a big mistake. I passed one eval on CPI today. Are you at the best month? Well, then don't worry about it. I mean, I wouldn't worry about Apex. If you don't break rules with Apex, they pay. It's just people break rules. People are not honest. I mean, it's, you know, some people email. I've had a couple emails lately, not lately, but a couple emails over the last few months, and you know, I asked Apex, and they show me exactly what the person is doing. I just can't disclose it. And I'm just like, you're telling me you didn't break any rules. You're so innocent. Yet you're doing all of this, and then you're asking me to help you. Like, I know there's something wrong because usually people um, get paid, right? So if they're still paying people, then why is some people getting denied for not doing anything wrong when I know it's so easy to break the rules because I've done it myself? But Black Man, if you trade well, you're gonna get paid. Don't hedge. Don't hit the daily loss limit every single day. That's gonna change. If people are abusing the daily loss limit as their stop loss, of course that's gonna be an issue. So it's in our hands to do a better job not to always use the daily loss limit as a stop. I'm sure it'll be fine for a little bit, but I just could see that as an issue moving forward. Good morning, guys. Sean, Greg, DC fan, Slothzilla. Good morning, guys. Trying to get a few trades here. We're gonna do a giveaway today. If we get to 100 likes, how about that? Because it is a shorter stream again. I do have golf one more time, and then it's gonna get cold again, so no more golf after that. Um, let's do a giveaway at 100 likes. Since it's not gonna be a long stream, it's easy to obtain it. I want to try a new way of a giveaway, so it's gonna be an interesting. What a tank! Unbelievable. How am I doing this morning? Well, I have really bad allergies. Pollen is starting to become a thing. Just one nice spring day and I'm getting allergies. Pretty wild. Ah, what an annoying sequence here. Market is choppy as hell. I can't find any trades right now. Let's go, Tyler. Nice job. I want to do ORB on all my accounts at the moment. My ORB strategy has been the most beautiful streak I've had in a long time on it. Literally could be done trading at 9:31 a.m. every day. I gotta add more accounts though. I definitely gotta add a couple more accounts. I got like 4 Apex evals to activate. So maybe I'll activate them and start and just add them to the copy trader. ORB was good. I did it on stream, so you could rewind the stream and see it. Oh man, these allergies are killing me. I'm gonna try this 80 short rejection. There we go. That's more like it. Direction of the candle. Unless it's a hard, if it's a hard rejection, then I go the opposite way. So I wait for the candle to make a move, and then I place the order above that candle. So if there's more momentum in that direction, I'll go in that direction. But if that candle does not make a new high, and the candle doesn't close, I'm just saying it always makes that, it makes that peak and then it pulls back a tiny bit. If it makes a new high on that candle, like for example, this candle is being formed, like let's say, see that little pullback, now I place my order here. If it continues, then I'll go in that direction. But if this candle just ripped straight higher, then I'll look for a long. That's the concept. Miss K, good morning. I'm gonna do a giveaway today, a new way. I want to try a new way of doing a giveaway. It's not gonna be the only standard way. I think the racing is fun, but this will give us a chance to do a random giveaway for people that are just in the chat, that are actually paying attention, and it's gonna be a quick one, so it's not gonna require any entries or anything like that. Anyone that is in the chat will be able to participate. All right, big dump of there. So I took reshort of the 80s. So basically saw a rejection there, and then that was a quick trade. So that was beautiful. Now, how are we gonna react to the 20s? I don't have my phone on me. I feel so peaceful. No one's bothering me. Maybe we should rock these shades every stream. Oh, guys, I would show you my eyes, but you'd get petrified. When I looked in the mirror this morning, I was like, wow. This is bad. My tea time today is at 1:30. I was gonna play Friday, but Friday's gonna be like 45 degrees again. So I had a friend that is able to play today. He hasn't played all year yet. He only played a few times last year because he had a baby. So I'll take him for a round. So we'll do a longer stream tomorrow. Whoa. I don't know why they didn't let me enter. Let's see if we get a reaction here at 20. If we win on this trade, then we could rotate to the next account. Come on, baby. You could do it. All right, we can move on to the next account. I moved my target a little bit because I entered a little bit higher, so that's a good enough profit. 444. Moving on to the account that we traded yesterday that we struggled with. Let's see if we could do something better. So I had a red day on this account yesterday. We're down about $700 in drawdown. So we need some wins. We need some wins. Big bounce of 20. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bella, good morning. Or good evening, I should say, right? Good evening. Wow, right back to 80. What a bounce. What a bounce. Bella, I have a question. So the codes that I got last time, I didn't give all of them away. Will they work on the new accounts? A loss on ORB set me back 2.5 days. It's not bad, yeah. We lost on the ORB today. Today was a pretty straightforward ORB. Yeah, my bad. I still haven't sent it. We'll do a giveaway today, and I'm going to send them both. I feel like I bothered them too much. I did get your email. So we'll do a giveaway as soon as we get to 100 likes for a Take Profit Trader account, and then I'll send the email to them together. My bad. Maybe you'll get 2 accounts. We're at 43 likes. Let's get to 100. We got 100 people watching. All of you guys hit the like button, and we could do a giveaway just for you guys before everyone else tunes in. Oh, you were hesitating. Okay. Yeah, so ORB is about 3 days worth of work on losses. I did increase my TP to 30 ticks. So I lose about 2.5 days now. So it's pretty good. I would love to do 40 ticks. I mean, with this volatility, I could easily do it. I just don't know if I want to risk it. I would love to do, if I could do 40 tick take profit and 78 tick stop loss, that is 1 to 2 or 2 to 1 risk reward. It would be a game changer for sure. How do I deal with the pre-payout pressure? I to be honest, I haven't had any big payouts at once in a long time. So I haven't had a lot of pressure. But I remember my first big payout was like 24,000 with Apex. And I needed one more ORB trade. I have a recording of it somewhere. I needed one more ORB trade to secure a $24,000 payout in January of 2024, I believe. Yeah. And I was a nervous wreck. Do I have the ORB that you took today recorded? No, but it's on the stream. It's right in the beginning of the stream. Yeah, Niels, I get that. When it's a big payout, there's definitely like I haven't had that. Like I trade accounts like so out of sync that I never request a big payout lately. It's always been like individual payouts per account. But for example, like on these accounts, I definitely get nervous. Like when I trade, like I love trading brand new accounts and accounts with low balances. I feel no pressure. But when I trade accounts with a nice balance, I definitely get a little bit anxious. But the good news, the greatest news of this week so far is the ORB. I've probably traded, not that I could do this on the funded, but I've traded the ORB. I wish I was doing some TRADEIFY trades or I had a journal. I think today's Wednesday. I've probably been in a trade on the ORB for a combination of 10 seconds in 3 days. All 3 days combined, that trade lasted probably 10 seconds. And Lucid has been flawless on the eval. That's a super fast trade to get in and out. And the copy trader has been flawless. So they're definitely improved because I know there was some issues with Lucid initially with the rhythmic on my ORB right at the open. I don't think that would be the case for Take Profit Trader. I think Take Profit Trader would mess up. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow, but I don't want it to mess up my other accounts. And sometimes it could do that. All right, we're getting a big bounce here. Maybe 120 short. Yeah, Lucid worked. Take Profit Trader, I would recommend using TRADEIFY. Okay, so we're gonna do a giveaway for Apex as well. So we'll do 2 codes. Ooh, CL chart. Oh. Is that a big move for CL? I don't really. Don't really trade CL, so I don't know what's a big move. I don't really know how to trade it, so I don't really wanna, start trading it now that because it's volatile. Like, I could scalp it probably on some evals to see how it moves. I love scalping volatile stuff. But Rips told me if I just send it, I could get my Ferrari 812 super fast. Holy smokes. All right, boys and girls, we're off to the moon. I mean, I'm gonna try. The volatility is pretty sweet. Gonna miss that one. Gonna miss that one at 80, 180. We're gonna try that. There's a lot of overhead here, so not 180 and 220. Can't be afraid. Can't be afraid. Almost got that win. Come on, we almost had it. We almost had it. Come on, baby. Sick. All right, moving on to the next account. I'm not gonna force this account. I want to make more money on this because this was close to a payout, but um, we gotta make money on every account. I think that's the safest bet. What's the news? I don't think there is news. I think that was just a breakout. I mean, the market was just moving so slow that this makes it seem like it's moving fast. But that was a freaking 150-point move. Enku's cracked. Yeah, CPI was so lame this morning. CPI was like so lame. This was a CPI candle. I did pass one eval. Of course, when I do one eval, last time on whatever it was CPI or PPI, I did 4 evals. I blew them all. And this time I do one eval and it passes. And then I took a second eval for half pass. How do I set up the buy and sell for the ORB trade? With QUANTOWER is easy. With QUANTOWER is easy. If you use any other platform, then it's not easy. Sierra charts is good. Yeah, as long as you have something like this where you could have the mouse. So like if I'm here, I buy or sell, right? And I do it here. I just press the like the right button on the mouse. So I could do whatever I want as long as I'm below or above the price. So you need the ability to do that. If you gotta right click on the chart and place the order, it's not gonna work. Big volatile moves here. We get stopped out here. Or not. it stopped. I was thinking about taking a break even because I technically got very lucky on that, but if it rejects, it could really dump. So no bueno. See, can we retest 180s one more time? If you use TRADEIFY, you gotta do Ninja Trader. I mean, there is a way to kind of do it, but not on Apex because Apex is I don't know if Apex still does that, but they used to not allow like what you have to do on TRADEIFY. Let me show you. No way that this is gonna go lower. So on TRADEIFY, you would have to do something like this. So you would just sell stop. Actually, on TRADEIFY, you could do it. Did they fix that? Was it always like this? Oh yeah, you could do it. You just click whatever you want and you place the order. Or you could do this manually like this. But on Apex, you're not allowed to do this. At least on the old accounts. You can't bracket the open. So like long or short. You have to have one order. But this is pretty good. I didn't know this existed. I think that's new. I think that's changed. I think that what unless I'm going crazy, but I feel like that's never been like that easy. Am I going crazy? Or am I right? Did I get LASIK? No, allergies. Wow, what a dump here, damn it. Kind of painful. Painful to see that loss and then just big tank. You can't set up bracket orders, but you could use a trade sync or copy trader and you could set up a copy trader that way on TradeEvade. Bracket orders are a red flag. It means you don't trust your trade. Huh? How do I see anything with those glasses on? What do you mean? You know how bright it is in this room with these lights that I have? But can I see without my glasses? That's a better question. Yeah, this is a chop fest. Mm-mm. Big dumpski there. Come on. Oh, this would be so good if this wins. Come on. Bastards. So choppy. This painful stop right there. Didn't re-enter. If I take a loss here, that's bad. This account's fucking cooked. That's why I hate 50K accounts. Such a waste of my time. Look at this. Look at this freaking bounce. This account's gonna be cooked. That's why I hate 50K accounts. They're just a waste. When you want to trade minis, on other prop firms that have like consistency rules and stuff, it's kind of easier to pass them. But I mean, I haven't tried the new Apex yet, so we'll see what happens there, how my evals are gonna go. But like, what are these stops, guys? What are these stops? Stop out right there, dump. Stop out right there, rip. Like, come on. Chop is real. Give me 1 second, guys. I ordered the medicine on Amazon. It was supposed to be here by 10 o'clock. I don't have my phone on me, so I don't know. I got some blueberries. It's gonna be my breakfast. Blueberries. Who likes blueberries? I could eat these things by a pound. Blueberries, raspberries. Let's go black magic. See? Great minds think alike. All right, we got some eye drops. Of course, the Red Bull box was broken, so it was leaking. Take Daddy, I was getting my eye drops that just got delivered from Amazon. I have crazy allergies. And then, of course, the box was broken and the Red Bull was leaking all over everything. What a chop. How many likes do we have? Are we close? Damn, these blueberries are so good. You like the glasses? Thank you. It's just to hide my puffy eyes. Looks really bad. I can't even see that. Good. Do I use VWAP? No. Nope. The only really indicator I like to use now is the 200 moving average. Tick Daddy, I have allergies. The cucumbers are for women, for beauty reasons. I've seen that before. Oh wait. Oh. Come on, give it to us. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. Yeah, come on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That is awful. That we had it secured. Still in the trade. Oh, that sucks. That is gonna be painful. Holy shit. That hurts. Oh, that's the worst loss of the day. Holy fuck. How did we get missed? How did I lose $1,000? Oh, because I was down. Well, that is painful. That was absolute trash. Got a big bounce or not? We'll see. But like, I was one tick away from winning. It's so frustrating. And then I bottom tick to stop. All right, we got $400 in drawdown left. We're just gonna send it. 980. One last trade. Yes, you could do a daily withdrawal from the Phidias live. Crazy. Took a couple losses and the account's gone. I didn't have full drawdown though on this account. 50Ks are not fun. I don't recommend 50K accounts. You have zero breathing room unless you trade micros. Yeah, this account was up only $1,000. I was close to 2,000, but all right, last trade. It's got to bounce now. Well, if we win, it's not a last trade. Would need a 30-point bounce. Got 15 points. 15-point trade would have been easy. Oh, I didn't. Well, we won on that. Wow. Imagine if we saved this account. Used to only like 50Ks. Yeah. I don't think NQ was as volatile though. I don't think NQ was as volatile as it is now. What a trade right there though. Got 30 points on it. Could have been break even now. Yeah, the small accounts play in your head. You take a couple losses on a small account, you're like, oh, this account's done. But with Take Profit Trader, I am going to try some 50Ks, but I'm going to try to grow them to 4K drawdown. So they are basically 50K accounts. That makes sense. I'll be pissed when I lose, when I have 2K withdrawal available and I'm not going to take it. What a bounce of the 80s. Could save this account. We had $400 in drawdown left. Now we have $1,600. That was a $1,200 trade, which is not the best, but not the worst either. Could have easily been green. Should have been greedy on this one. Guys, we are 5 likes away. Let's do it. I want to try a new giveaway. Yeah, this has been a crazy chop. Yeah, it's either we roll over or we break out. It's been a week of chop, basically. I mean, it's a big 374. Well, that's the range we've had. Oh, no, actually, never mind. This was Monday. I don't remember that. Oh, yeah, that was the gap close. Ever since we went up here, so that was like Monday afternoon, we've just been in chop. So they're gonna go up or down here. Definitely could go both ways. Could be a big cup and handle breakout, or it could just reverse and retest these lows. I don't know. I don't predict the future. I can't do that. If I do that, then I mess up my my intraday trades. Some people look at a big picture. I can't do that. I hope it rolls. Do I take this one more time? Am I asking for trouble? I feel like the trades I take both times just don't work. The second time it likes to break. Oh, this Red Bull's not cold. It's not that good. All right, I ate like half a pound of blueberries. That's enough. I think we're 2 likes away, guys, because as soon as we get 100 likes, I want to do this giveaway so that way people that are in the chat right now could participate, and it's going to be a very fast giveaway. So what we're gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna pick a number. I'm gonna pick a number, a range. Well, I'm gonna pick a number, give you guys a range. So it's gonna be, let's say, pick a number from 1 to 100. That's what we're gonna do today, actually, or from 0 to 100. And the first person to guess the number will win. So when I say go, you guys are gonna, and I'm gonna have it screenshotted like this. I'm not gonna change it. Don't worry, there's no playing favorites or anything like that. So I'm gonna pick a number. It's not gonna be 30, so don't. That's one number you don't have to guess. Let me just get the YouTube chat going so that way I could. Do we have 100 likes? Yeah, we got 100 likes. Hold on, guys, but this market's moving. So as soon as, guys, don't guess yet. If you guess now, you could be eliminated. I said when I pick a number, we're gonna do it together. We're not gonna. And you could pick a different number, right? You could type as many numbers as you want. You know, so as fast as you type, you could type as many numbers as you want, and eventually that first person I'm gonna see with that number, I will pick, find them, and because I'm gonna watch the chart really fast, or the chat. Let me just change something here. You must be subscribed. Damn, that 20 rejected hard. Okay, I have chosen the number, but we're not gonna do it yet. I'm gonna say when, and we're gonna go at it. I'm just watching the market still. I gotta get the chat going. So this is gonna be for take profit trader evaluation, and then we're gonna do another one for Apex a little bit later. Yeah, guys that picked the number already are banned, correct? All right. All right. At 10:40, you could start typing at 10:40. I'm gonna start looking at the chat at 10. Hold on, fuck. Top chat, live chat, okay. And go. You could go. You could type. Oh god, this is a lot harder than I thought. This worked better on some other stream I watched. I guess the first time I see it, I'm gonna. I haven't seen it yet. Close. Damn, everyone's missing that number. Nope, nope, nope. Close. Keep typing. Someone that probably already guessed it, but I just haven't seen it. I'm trying to see. Oh, wait. Right there. Alexo6333 with number 68. All right, this was not a good idea. This is good for small streams. I didn't realize this was going to be so crazy. Alexo6333 with number 68. That is my favorite hockey number. There you go. All right, Alex. Is it Alex O or is it Alexo? All right, Alex, just email me the Take Profit Trader email that you have for login, and I'll email them, and then I gotta do 2 accounts. Race is funnier, yes, but it takes forever. This was quick. That's why I wanted to try it, but this is not gonna work. Unfortunately, that's not gonna work. Because I would not be surprised if someone else typed it first or I missed it, you know. There's just no way for me to see. I just picked the first one I saw. Stingray, I haven't had a chance to look. I did get your email. Bill04E was first. I apologize. I did not see. I was trying my best to watch. That was a trial giveaway, so unfortunately. And this market, I need 2 more wins on this account. I need 2 wins in a row. 30, 10, 45. Wow, time is flying. I got like 45 minutes left on the stream. And we got another tea time today. Today I got to earn a little earlier because I got to warm up. I went to a driving range yesterday, and I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything like it at a driving range. No bays open, a line to get more balls. It was just horrible. I want to go there a little earlier, or I'll just warm up at home. Um, no, I'm not gonna give it to the other person because I honestly did not see it. But let me just see something. Here's why I will not give it to Bill. Okay, I was thinking about giving him an Apex eval, and that this is not against Bill or anything like that. But I could see I could see people's chat history. Bill has not said one thing in the chat ever. This is his only chat history. I want to give back to the community that is here, that supports the channel, that is in the stream. So like, I don't know if this person is here just for the giveaway. You know, they could be watching on the TV and stuff, and their own chat in the stream. But you know, obviously, I'd rather give it to someone that is active and I recognize the name. It always is always it's always better to do that. I don't know. Not picking on the other person. I'm just saying. If he would have won and I saw it, of course I would have given it to them, but that was a trial for the giveaway. We're gonna do one more giveaway. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We'll see how we're gonna do it. I plan on doing it the same way, but we're not gonna do that. I can't see all the numbers. They are way too fast. Because YouTube like spams it like all at once. It's kind of weird. Okay, let me send out the email to Take Profit Trader. Okay, sent. We need the next trade to be a winner on this account, so I'm gonna be patient. What a chop today, though. I wonder if it's gonna break out of this chop later in the day. Kind of did that yesterday, but today is actually very, very slow. The round yesterday was okay. Nothing great. Nothing. I had some good holes. Started with the par. Pumped. I got 2 pars. I was 1 over first 3 holes, which is really something I'm proud of. Kind of fell apart after that, but the putter was good. The Timu lap putter is actually pretty sweet. I'm playing again today. Let's see what's gonna happen. I just hate that it's walking only. Ugh. Sucks to walk. That's a good workout though, I guess. No, no problem, Bill. Thanks for the kind words. Yeah, my bad. I really could not see your number to be first. So it was just not what I visioned, because I saw someone else do it and their chat was moving a lot slower. So I was like, "Oh, this is a great idea." I did not realize that I was not going to be able to see a lot of the numbers. So I said, as soon as I see first one, I'm gonna pick that. But thanks for tuning in, of course. Excited for this weekend. I got a sweet gig at the Devil's Arena, both Saturday and Sunday. Come on, market, move. New lap putters with the inters are awesome. Yeah, maybe I'll try that one. Timo has it for like $110. I have the one without. Yeah, this is chop. But slow chop. I don't mind chop, but slow chop is definitely. I mean, I was so close to hitting a take profit and just missed me by a couple ticks. I'm gonna try this just because it's slow and choppy. I'm not expecting this to break out. Oh no, we got missed. Target failed. Oh, placed the order a little bit too high. Look, it went right to 80 to a tick. I have the lines wrong, drawn on the wrong freaking. Lost my mouse. I gotta draw these lines more accurately. Okay, we are in. Second test, never as clean as the first, but let's just see what happens. Yeah, I missed the first trade, so I take it the second time, and it just burns me. Come on. Wow. Down $37 from being down almost $2,000. Wow, what a dump ski. That was a scary one. Yeah, oil, I have no idea how to trade this. Just past your Apex evals. Let's go. That's nice. 20 funded, huh? Just like that. I would like to get a trade on Bullnox. Let me see if I could get a payout with Bullnox this week, though. I think I missed one day last week. If I can't get a payout with Bullnox this week, then I'm not gonna. I would have to have 10 traded days by Friday. If I can't get 10 trading days, I'm not gonna force it. Today is day number 8. Oh yeah, we could get a payout. Okay, so let's just focus on Bullnox. I'm not gonna have enough time to trade. That much more. So let's just try to get a winning trade on Bullnox here, and then we have a trade. Okay, I have a trade on Apex at the highs, so we'll see how that works. What sucks is I don't use Bullnox a lot, so now we got to redraw all the levels. I guess that's not too bad when the range is pretty small. What a chop fest today, guys. What a chop fest. So I'm seeing some instant payout approvals. On Apex with a new program. One trade, one good trade on Bullnox is all we need. Still gotta make a lot actually. To make 4,100, we gotta make a lot. Come on, baby. This is definitely the choppiest market we've seen all month. We've seen range markets, but that's different. To me, a range market is different than choppy market. Choppy market, it's small moves up and down, a lot of barcoding. Didn't have that much barcoding today, but it's still tight range. 140 points, which is not bad, but definitely not what we're used to. Versus the range market is when it goes up. It doesn't have a breakout, but it goes up and down through like 200-300 point. Range. Oh man, I'm falling asleep here. My eyes are still burning me. '20 testing. Why did it not put me in the trade? The fuck's going on? It's the market crashing and this is having delays. Yep. Oh. Look at the delays on Bullnox. Unbelievable. Final trade of the day. Probably gonna blow this account if it doesn't go up. Crazy delays on Bullnox. Get a bounce. Nope. No bounce on this. Just gonna watch and see what happens. Gonna watch this account, see it burn, and that's it. Volatility came out of nowhere. Had a nice 15-point trade here, but just wasn't patient enough for the 80s. Played in the middle. Guess we're not getting a payout from Bullnox. We'll have to get a massive bounce here. No bounce. All right, guys. That's going to be it from me. I am going to go get ready for golf. I'm going to eat some eggs. I got a tea time in 2 hours. So it sounds crazy, but yesterday I was almost late. And yesterday my tea time was at 2:10. So I'm not reading the price action well. It's too slow, and I'm getting in the middle of nowhere, and then blew that account. So that, according to my rules, I can't trade anymore. Good day overall. Made some progress on Apex. I'm gonna just flip my take profit trader accounts really quick before I forget. Should have the take profit trader accounts tomorrow, I think. If I'm not mistaken, should have them tomorrow. I think today is day 5. Not if I lose on this freaking trade. Really? Still lost $4. Unbelievable. All right, we're good. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. We're gonna do another Apex giveaway, but we'll do it tomorrow. We gotta do a normal race. The number thing did not work. So one red account on Apex. Blown Bullnox, unfortunately. 2 days away from payout, but needed a lot of profit in it to get a payout. It is what it is. I mean, the market just became volatile out of nowhere, so I don't know what happened there, but a lot of delays on the data. So it was just unfortunate timing. But that's my fault. I should have waited for the 80s. Should have never touched the 20s. But that's risk reward trading right there. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow will be a longer stream because tomorrow I am not golfing. So we'll do a longer stream probably to like 1 o'clock. And then Friday we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. So hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go get some pars. Maybe a birdie. I would like to get a birdie for once. I haven't had a birdie yet this year. I played 6 rounds of golf already. 2 in January, 2 in Florida in March or February, whatever it was. January, actually. No birdies yet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am going to try a couple more accounts on ORB, I think. ORB's been like the most solid player right now, and definitely got to take advantage. See you guys. Tea time in 2 hours.